I feel like a lot of people have been told so long that they can't wear a certain color because, oh, you too dark, or you too this, or you too that. And honey, that narrative has to go out the window along with the rest of the colorist statements of the world, okay? I'm definitely not the naturalist, most natural person on earth.
Hey, wig gurus and new news. Today, I'm Nino Brown and I'm filling in for my lovely wife, DizastrousBeauty, and she has brought me here to inform you on this natural 613 color, length 16 inches, texture straight, density 150%. Yeah, and today we are changing that 613 to a ash blonde. So if you want to know how to do it, just watch her do it. You know what I'm talking about? Okay, so cool. We're gonna start off. We're gonna put a little textury text on it. We're gonna lather it down, and then magically it's gonna switch over. So when it starts switching over, we're gonna get a little bit more textury to it. So when this ash bronze gets so lovely and beautiful, what you're gonna do is you're gonna cut your lace. You're gonna get you some GLAM Force free spray, that is, and we're gonna spray it on there. We're gonna take a hair dryer. We're gonna put it on there so you know it sticks all nice to your forehead. And this is wide forehead friendly. You know what I'm saying? So for all y'all with the wide forehead, like my beautiful wife, it's a beautiful forehead, but it's wide. You know what I'm talking about? It's wide forehead friendly. She added a little curls to it, and then she's gonna put some of that shy, or is that chi, or whichever it is, whatever it might be. You just put it in your hair and you put it on there and you put a little heat to it, and you too can have this glamorous look as it goes through. Ain't my wife beautiful? Look at her. Look at, she just said, ooh, look at all them texture curlies now. She got them curlies now. Okay, cool. Now going in this, we're gonna cut off this little headband thingy. So, you know, that'll make sure you look all naturally, you know, and all curly, and all beautifully. So as you get your curl, you want to run your hand through them, you know, so they look all more natural. Then you're going to put the dew grow in there, because this right here is going to get your hair a little texture. It's going to make it look all firm, and it's going to come together, you know. So after you get that all firm and you come together, we're going to run a comb through it. We're going to, you know, put it behind your ears, because, you know, you wanted to look all smooth, and you wanted to run in with your baby hairs, you know. Yeah, got to get your little baby. Let's get that baby hair going on there. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. I love it. Then we're going to put a little bit on the side, because, you know, you wanted to kind of give that natural flow into your eyes. You know, ain't my wife eyes beautiful? Look at those eyes. Whoa, look, give her those eyes, babe. Hey, gotcha. Loving it. So what we're going to do is we're going to run the brush through it. You know, we're going to make sure everything looks all great, now naturally and curly. Okay, we're going to put a little bit more heat to it, because, you know, we want it to look all firm going behind your ear. And then we're going to go to the SEPHORA MICROSMOOTH. And what you're going to do is you're going to put this between your part, because you want it to look a little bit more natural to what you have going on. Do you see the glow? Hold on, wait, stop. Give them the glow.
Okay, y'all. So first I want to kind of give you guys a disclaimer. I am not feeling my best. I don't know what's going on with me. But yeah, I'm not feeling my best. So just kind of bear with me. If I'm not my normal upbeat, crazy self, just bear with me, y'all. I'm going to get through it, and we're going to do this together. Now, I also want to say, honey, if my husband had to do this voiceover, it's because I ain't have enough air to do it, okay? And he's helping your girl out. So if he says something crazy or gets something wrong, don't worry about it, because, honey, in the outro, you guys know I got you, girl. I got you, okay? So anyways, let's get into this video. Okay, so I am obviously finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you guys are interested in the details, the specs, and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. So this unit was sent to me by Donmily Hair. Shout out to you, Donmily, for sending me this unit. I really do appreciate it. Child, they sent me this wig a while back. it has been a while, okay? So I also want to tell them thank you for your patience, Donmily, okay? Because they did not harass me and was
like, girl, what's good? Okay, like, you said just gonna send it years ago, and what's good?
But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the specs and stuff on this hair as is. If you're interested in like the dyeing process and what I used and all of that, then I'm gonna talk about that more so in the next part of this video. But first, I'm gonna talk about the wig as is. So this unit is, as I stated, by Donmily. I have this wig it says Donmily lace front straight wig, blonde 613 color, Remy human hair. And they told me that the only inches that they had available was the 16 inch. And I was like, you know what, honey, that is fine. And it came in 150% density. So really all the lengths that I see on here are 12 inches, 14 inches, and 16 inches. With those pricings, I was trying to tell you guys the price. Okay, so if you get this wig in 12 inches, it's going to be $95. And if you get this wig in 14 inches, it's going to be $120. And if you get it in the inches that I am wearing right now, which is 16 inches, it's going to be $145, honey. Okay, so I went ahead and gave you guys like all like the pricing because it was only 3. So yeah. Okay, so it says hair type straight wig, cap size is average, so it only comes in an average cap size, and their form of average is 22 to 22.5. The color is 613, the length is 16 as we stated, and the density is 150, and the lace is Swiss lace. So honestly, y'all, I forgot that this was a straight wig. I honestly didn't intend, when I initially told them that I wanted this wig, I never intended to curl it, and I don't know what happened. Like, my soul just decided my soul decided it wanted to be curled, honey, and I just go with my soul, what my soul say. It wants, I give. You know what I'm saying? So, but yeah, it is a straight unit, but this at least does show you guys that it holds a good curl for a straight wig. So even though it is a straight unit, obviously, honey, I am curled up, honey. This is curl galore. Okay. Now, as far as the hairline goes with this wig, I don't think the hairline is bad at all. I do think it could use a little more tweezing. It's not crazy dense, but I feel like if you tweeze it a little more, it'll give it an even more natural look. Like, honestly, my grandmother's hairline is actually like this. Her hairline is that dense. Her real hairline. But for the average person, your hairline isn't really, really dense. The parting space to me looks really good. I did apply my SEPHORA MICROSMOOTH into that parting space. And as far as shedding, yes, it does shed. So I wanted to make sure I told you guys that. It shedded less before I dyed it. It shed a little more once I dyed it. So I wanted to mention to you guys that this wig does shed. And as far as tangles, I feel like it doesn't really tangle. It didn't tangle at all prior to me curling it. And since I've curled it, it really doesn't tangle. So shout out to y'all. And yeah, that's that as far as the details on the wig in itself. Now this wig, if I'm not mistaken, does come with 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back with adjustable straps. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So obviously I don't have to do a length check because, honey, this is it, girl. No Michael Jackson. So if you're interested in how I feel about this wig and more details and specs and all that good stuff, then please continue to watch. Y'all, I am trying to put a little pep in my step, but I ain't got it, girl. I ain't got it. I ain't got the pep. I am so sorry about it, okay? Like, this is as much pep as I can get without having to get an inhaler, honey, without having to be on here with oxygen. Do you want me on here with oxygen? Girl, do you? So, yeah, I'm just going to keep talking at this level because this level is a comfortable level for me. Oh, girl, pray for me. But anyways, how do I feel about this wig? Honestly, I really like it, y'all. Y'all know, some of you guys know, ash blonde is my favorite color, like, to wear. Now, I will say this one came out a little more gray. And I think it was because I toned it. Before I did it. I actually followed Sophiology's whole like video and did it that way, and I think that is why it came out a little more gray, because I had that sucker white, girl, before I dyed it, and the last time I did not. So I think that's why this one comes off as a little more gray, but she's not mad at her, honey. Okay, she is not mad at her. I've done this color before. It is, like I said, it's just like one of my favorite colors to do. I'm probably gonna do that other 6. I have another 613 that had brown roots. I'm probably gonna do it this color too. Like, I love this color so much that I have boxes on top of boxes of this color. I was getting ready to buy more of it, and I was like, let me just check and see if I have some. If I already have some, and true enough, I did. So, this color that I use, this product, is by, child, do I remember who it's by? Okay, so it's by Revlon Color Silks. I think I initially ordered mine from Amazon, but you can get these from Walmart. You can get them from Family Dollar. You can get them from Publix. Unless you just can't leave your house or you don't want to leave your house unnecessarily, you can just get it from Walmart or Dollar General or somewhere, child, because it's just Revlon Color Silks. They only cost like $2. I would personally recommend you getting two. It's two different colors that I use. I would recommend you getting two of each, just in case. You know, it's better safe than sorry. Now, because this hair is shorter, I think I only use two boxes. So I use one dark medium, one dark ash blonde, and one medium ash blonde. And those are the colors that I use. And she got this, okay? I just mixed them up in a bowl and applied it to my hair. And I think Sophiology said she first got this color from Rebiana. Am I saying her name right? Raviana. Child, if I'm not saying it right, I will have a link to it down below for you guys to check it out. And I wanted to mention hers because it looks gorgeous on her. And I feel like I have a lot of brown skin and dark skin subscribers that every time I have on a light color, they're like, that will not look good on me. Let me keep it a whole buck with you, girl. I wish I could just go off on y'all like I want to, but I'll feel good. But let me just tell you this, honey. Okay. I will honestly say this type of color, any of the lighter colors whatsoever, to me, the more melanin, honey, the better. The better they look. And that is like not me freaking just saying something to say something. I'm just being a whole book. I feel like a lot of people have been told so long that they can't wear a certain color because, oh, you too dark, or you too this, or you too that. And honey, that narrative has to go out the window along with the rest of the colorist statements of the world, okay? Honestly, y'all, I just want you guys to look at her video. Okay, if you're dark skin or brown skin and you just feel like these types of colors do not look good on you, I want you guys to check out her video. Okay, check out her video because, honey, once you see it on her, you're gonna be like, why did I ever think it was cute on her? Like, honey, I'm wearing it. Don't get it twisted. Like, I live in my complexion. I love it. I'll wear whatever color. But I want us as black women to encourage other black women and say, honey, you can wear it too. Not only can you wear it, but girl, you can slay it on a whole different level than me. So I want us to come out of that and stop saying, like, it's one thing if you're afraid of color, because I get it. I have a little cousin. Actually, I did a video with her. She's terrified of color. It's one thing to say that. I get it, because color can be intimidating no matter what complexion you are. It's one thing to say it because of that. But it's a whole different other to say it because you've been conditioned to believe that if you're dark skinned or brown or dark brown or whatever, that you can't wear a certain color. Honey, you can wear what you want to wear, girl. You can wear what you want to wear and you can slay it, sis. Okay, like, let's get out of that mindset. I want us out of that. I just do. Honey, I done went to preaching again. Okay, hold on. Okay, so yeah, you can get this product for a really, really inexpensive price. And if you have a 613, now honey, I can't tell you what to do if you got black hair because she ain't the best at that. But if you do have a 613 wig, it's really, really easy just to apply the product. Honey, I be getting messages from people saying, can I dye their wig? Girl, no, I cannot. I am nobody's beautician, honey. This is not my forte. This is not my calling. If I didn't have to, I wouldn't do my own. Like, that's really how I feel about hair. Like, I don't even know what else to say. So yeah, I'm feeling this hair. I'm feeling the look. I'm feeling the curls. Even though I meant for it to be straight and I was going for a different vibe, I love this vibe. I think it is cute. So let me know what you guys think down below. And once again, shout out to you, Donmily, for that patience, girl. Shout out to you. So anyways, I'm going to go ahead and give you guys a 4360 and wrap this thing up and give me some TheraFlu or something and get in the bed. Okay, y'all. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And this is it on the right side. Okay, so let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. Let me know if you're feeling it. Let me know if it's a vibe. Do you like it? Do you like it like I did the other one? If you have watched the other one, let me know down below in the comments. And if it's something that I forgot, because I went on a tangent that had nothing to do with hair. But if it's something that you feel like I did leave out, feel free to comment down below, y'all. I will be responding to comments. Just be patient with me. I feel like I'm getting behind on comments, and I love to respond and talk to you guys. But with not feeling good on top of school starting back and homeschooling, and Journey was supposed to be in preschool this year, so I'm also having to homeschool her, and just life in general, y'all. I'm just getting behind, so bear with me, but I will be responding to comments. I appreciate you guys so much. Once again, shout out to you, Donmily. If you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And yeah, y'all, that is pretty much it. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, something you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, sis, click that subscribe button. And if you're not already follow me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and Facebook. I'm held to Miss C on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.